Now let us design the next component, that is a wheel. So for designing this wheel, we will be making this cross section. So we will be creating this line first, and that line is at a distance of 3.125 mm. So we have a diameter of 6.25 mm, and the distance will be 6.25 divided by 2, that is 3.125. so let's create a line, and the length of this line is going to be 15 mm. So let's give the dimension 15 mm, and the distance from this edge we will take it as 3.125 mm, that is 6.25 divided by 2. Now let's create vertical line and this horizontal lines. Okay, so we have a vertical line, then we have a horizontal line. Okay, vertical line and we have a horizontal line. Let's give dimension. This line is going to be around, rather than this, the distance of this line from the central axis is going to be around 5 mm, that is 10 divided by 2. So let's give the dimension, select the line, select the axis, and it is 5 mm. Okay, and now let's draw two more lines. So vertical line and one more line. The gap between these two lines is going to be 5 mm. So here is the gap between these two lines. So let's make it 5 mm. We have to ensure that the length of these two edges are equal, and it is going to be 5 mm each. We will create two more lines. These lines will measure 5 mm each. Okay, now the distance of this line from this axis is going to be around 16.5 mm, that is 33 divided by 2. So let's give the dimension 16.5, that is 33 divided by 2. Okay, let's give dimension to this line too, and it has to be 16.5 mm. Let's draw the vertical lines from here. We want this to be 4 mm and this edge to be 4 mm. The angle between these two edges has to be 90 degree. Okay, and the distance between this edge and the axis is should be 20 mm. Okay, so we have completed this sketch. Let's come out of this sketch, and now we will rotate this to create a wheel. And for creating the wheel, we will click on shaft, select the sketch, and then we have to select the axis. So we will select this y axis. Okay, and let's preview, and we have a wheel here. Okay, so let's save it as wheel.